Live. Okay, here we go. Today's date is 3/10/2020. Okay. Our objective is we are going to create linear equations. We are either going to be using y equals mx plus b or y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so I want to put the formulas on there. I also might need the slope sometimes, so I'll put that formula up there too. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3 different formulas, okay? And those are going to help me tomorrow, okay? If I know how to use the formulas, and if I use the right formulas, those are going to help me a lot, okay? And I'll wait for you to get that, and then we'll do this, okay? So number one, I already have my slope, and I already have my b, right? My slope, my m is negative 2/3, and my y-intercept is negative 3, so I'm just going to use my formula, y equals mx plus b, because I already know what m is, and I already know what b is. So I'm going to rewrite this as y equals a negative 2/3 x plus 4. You can do that tomorrow, can't you? That's an easy one. Thumbs up. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So that's an easy one. You guys agree? Yeah, absolutely. That is easy. You guys agree? Okay. Now number two can be done either by graphing. Graphing will work, or by an equation. Okay, either one. I'm going to use the equation. So first of all, I need the slope. I'm going to go 5 minus 6 over 0 minus 3. Okay. This can also be done by graphing. Okay, which I'll show as well. So it's a negative 1 over negative 3, which is a 1 over 3. Now, I just know, because this point is 0, 5, I know that b is 5. Think about it. 0, 5 is just straight up at 5, right? That's my y-intercept, right? Here's my slope. So I'm going to write y equals 1/3 x plus 5. Okay, and you can also do that by graphing if you're not sure how to do it. You can take out a piece of graph paper, you can graph the points, and get the same equation. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, number 3. Okay, now this was going to take a little bit more work, and this is the same one I had on your Kahoot. This is the same one I had in your Kahoot. So first of all, m is going to be 2 minus a negative 4 over 15 minus 5, okay? Same one I put on your Kahoot, which is a 6 over 10 or a 3 over 5. Okay, now that's my slope. I could graph it, or I could use my equation. I'm going to use my equation. I'm going to use my y minus 5. That's my y1 equals 3/5 times x. Oh, I got this wrong. I am so sorry. Mine's a minus 4. I'm so wrong. That's my x, and that's my y. X minus 5. So sorry. My bad. Here's I'll show you what I did wrong. The 5 goes there, and the negative 4 goes there. Okay, so then I've got a y plus 4 equals a 3/5 x. Now, minus 5 goes into 5 1 time times 3 is 3. 5 divides into 5 1 time times 3 is 3. Then I'm going to go minus 4, and I'll have a y equals a 3/5 x minus 7. So, you can always graph it, can't you? If you have a difficult time using the formula, put the dots, draw the line, and figure out the equation, okay? Okay, number 4. It's just like a point, 0, 4, and 2, 6. And you could graph it and get the answer. You can. Put the 2 points, draw your line, and get the answer. Okay, I'm going to use the equation. M is going to be 6 minus 4 over 2 minus 0, which is going to give me a 2 over 2, which is a 1. And I know that that is my y-intercept, 0, 4. I'd go straight up and graph it, right? That's my b. I know that. So I'm going to write y equals 1x plus 4. Okay, again, you can always graph the 2 points. If you get stuck, draw your line and figure it out that way, okay? Okay, 5. I've got a slope of 2/3. So I'm going to go and use my y minus y1 equals my m times my x minus x1. Or you could graph the points and use your slope. That'll work. So I'm going to go y minus 12 equals 2/3 times x minus 6. Okay. I'm going to distribute this times this times this. So I'll have y minus 12 equals a 2/3 x. Okay, ready? 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 goes into 6 2 times 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 4. Then I'll go plus 12 plus 12. I'll get a y equals a 2/3 x plus 8. And again, if you want to graph the point and then do up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, you can get the same answer. Okay? Okay, how am I doing? Am I going too fast? Am I okay? Am I okay? I'm not going too fast? Okay, now, I got to figure out the slope. So you ready? This one goes up 5, up 5, up 5, up 5. This one goes up 2, up 2, up 2. So my slope is my y's over my x's, okay? So my slope is 5 over 2. Slope is my y's over my x's, okay? Now, I already know the y-intercept. It is 0. Check it out. 0, 0, right? 0, 0. Crosses at 0, 0, so it's already at 0. So I will write y equals 5/2 x plus 0. But somebody's going to say, go ahead and say, Mr. Davies. Somebody's going to say, Mr. Davies. Come on.
You don't need the 0.
You don't need the 0, right? Everybody agree? You don't need the 0, okay? Good, okay? Thank you. I was hoping somebody would say that, right? Okay, turn the page. I'll wait for you, okay? You can keep the 0, though. I'm okay with that, too. I wouldn't mark it wrong. 0's fine. Okay, turn the page. All right, now, which lines are parallel? So first of all, I'm going to go through this slowly. Line 1, I'm going to put here, 4x equals negative 3y plus 9. I want to solve for y, okay? Okay, I want to solve for y, line 1. So I'm going to go minus 9, minus 9. I'll have 4x minus 9 equals negative 3y. Divide by negative 3. I'll have a negative 4/3 x plus 3 equals y. Now I'm gonna circle that. I'm gonna circle that slope. Okay, I'm gonna circle that slope. Okay. Okay, line 2 is 8y equals negative 6x plus 16. Okay, I'm going to divide by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8. I'm going to get a y equals negative 6/8x plus 2. But won't that reduce? That'll reduce to negative 3/4, right? Okay, I'm going to circle my slope. Okay, there's my slope. And finally, line 3, I've got 4y equals negative 3x plus 9. And I need to solve for y. So I'm going to divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. I get y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2 1/4. But I don't really care about the 2 1/4. I only care about this. Okay, now, which lines are parallel? Which lines are parallel? 2 and 3, right? The same slope. So I'm going to say 2, go line
Yes.
2 is parallel to line 3. Okay, you guys good with that? All right. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. All right, number 8. Determine which lines are perpendicular. So I have to find the slope. So first of all, number 1, I'm going to go -1 minus a minus 4 over -1 minus a minus 2. This one minus this one over this one minus this one, right? Double negative, so I'll have a 3 over 1. I'm going to circle that because that's my slope, right? Line 2, let's see. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go 2 minus a minus 4 over a 1 minus a minus 1, okay? Double negative, plus, I've got a 6 over 2, which is, 3 over 1. Those are parallel, aren't they? But not perpendicular, but parallel, right? And then line number 3, let's do the same thing. I'm going to go 2 minus 3 over 4 minus 2, -1 over 2. So none of them are perpendicular, are they?
Nope.
But these two are parallel, right? So I might say, just because, I might say 1 is parallel to 2, but that's all I got, okay?
Do we have to say that though?
No, because it says perpendicular.
All right.
Just say none.
Alright.
How's that? You okay, bro?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, number 9. Parallel. What do we know about parallel lines?
Same slope.
So M is -1/2, okay? It's got to go through the point 4, -8. Now you get two choices. You could graph it, or you could use the equation. I'm going to use the equation. I'm going to go y minus a -8 equals a -1/2 times an x minus 4. Just use my equation, right? Double negative plus, go that times that times that, so I have a y plus 8 equals a -1/2 x plus, negative times negative, half of 4 is 2. Minus 8, y equals a -1/2 x minus 6. We are almost done, huh? Number 10. Okay, so perpendicular. What's the new slope? Positive 2. Positive 2 over 1. How come? Why is it positive 2 over 1?
Because negative.
Right, it's positive. Got to make it negative. If it's negative, make it positive, right? And flip it, right? So, I'm going to go y minus 6 equals 2 times x minus 4. 2 over 1 or 2, right? I got y minus 6 equals 2x minus 8 plus 6 plus 6. Y equals 2x plus 2, and I got her. Now 11. Perpendicular bisector. Hey, let's draw a picture, okay? Got my graph paper. All right, let's see what I got, okay? All right, let's see if I can do this. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a picture, because pictures are easy. I'm going to go ahead and put my XY axis on here. All right, you can do this. I know you can.
Baby?
Yes.
It's -2, not +2.
Oh, my bad. Thank you. It's just like me to make a mistake, isn't it, right? -2, 1. There's 1 point. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, let me draw a line. Okay. So, bisector. Let's find the middle. So if I count, I'm just going to count. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I went up 4 and over 8. So if I wanted to find the middle, I'd do half that. Does that make sense? So I'd go up 2 over 4. Does that make sense? So I'm going to go, yeah. So here's my middle. Do you guys agree with that? You okay with that being in the middle of that line? Can you see it? Okay, and then the slope of this I heard was 1/2. Totally agree. What's the slope? What's the perpendicular slope going to be? -2, right? So I'm going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. I'll go backwards and cross right up there. Let's see. How about an answer of y equals -2x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 7. Y equals -2x plus 7. Thumbs up? Now,